Right people, we have this 2016 Discovery in, saying that the low battery is coming up on the dashboard. So let's have a quick look to see what we have got. Oh yeah, straight away. Low battery, start engine. Okay, well, she has just driven from Faversham to Newington. So I think what we'll do is test the battery and see what we've got going on. All right, let's show you how to do that. Right, all we're going to do, just move around to the front of the vehicle. Obviously this is Discovery. These fall out, which are easier to take them out because you will lose them. Right, and then using the old topdon BT200, I'm just going to connect this up. I love using one hand. Maybe I'll have a videographer one day. Okay, so as you can see, we have got battery test. Now we need to know what this battery is, and we have got an 80 amp hour battery. So nice and easy battery test. It is a EFB or AGM. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's AGM, isn't it? Yeah. You can just about see that. AGM, 80 amp hour. So we will go on here. AGM. So we have got, as you can see there, look, 800 EN. So we're going to go EN 800. Sorry, I can't speed it up any faster than this. Sorry, guys. Oh my life! What battery did I have on there to be 300 and something? Must be like a motorbike or something. Right, so we've got 800 EN and enter. What do you reckon, guys? Is the vehicle telling us the truth? Oh, health 43, charge at 32%. So, does he use it that much? It's just driven back from Faversham. So you'd have thought that would definitely have charged. Right, we'll get this charged up then, because at the end of the day, we wouldn't put a battery on this unless we know 100%. So unless that tells me this is no good, we charge the battery. Let's go. So, displaying at 12.3 AGM. Let's have a quick look to see what percentage the smart charger seems to think this battery charge state is at. And then that should give us an indication of what the topdon's telling us. That should switch over to a percentile on that battery. We're sitting at 12.3 volts while it's 51%. So that reads about right what the topdon was saying, about 43. This is showing 51. So yeah, we'll give it a charge and then we'll retest it. Right, we finally have the green light 100% on this battery. So let's get that off. Love doing this one-handed. Okay, let's move that out of the way. And let's get this back on. As you can see, what we have got. Okay. So this should keep the memory in this little topdon. So the last one we did was an AGM and it was 800. Yeah, it's kept it. So this is fresh off the battery, so this should be as good as this battery can be. Replace. There we go, guys. 100% charge, 41% health. Conclusive, guys. It needs a battery. Right, as always, once we put a new battery on the vehicle, we have to code it. So let me talk you through the process on how we do it with the Autel. So all we need to do is just go into the service function. I'll show you. Oh, it's bright in here. Oh, right, let's do it like this. So into the service function, into Land Rover. you will have to exclude the glare, which is probably mostly off my bald head, but we won't go there. Let me try and do this. I can't fucking try to do it one-handed, man. Need more subscribers so I can have a video man, or is it called a videographer, something like that, you know. So nice and easy. I am trying to look through the camera whilst doing this, so excuse me if I push the wrong button. So there we go, battery replacement. Thinking about it. So key to position 2, on, okay. As you can see, it's telling the battery management system about the replacement battery. Not that we had any lights on after we had changed the battery, but we always like to do things properly. There we go. So nice and easy. It'll ask you to run through a cycle to make sure that it has stored the new battery. And then it will check to see if there is any stored codes for low voltage or any voltage deficiencies in any of the modules. Clear the fault codes will be the next procedure. So what it will do, it will run through this and just make sure that there is no voltage codes remaining behind the scenes, and then that should be done. Might have to speed this bit up because sitting here for a minute holding it one-handed in a very hot Land Rover with a bald head shining everywhere, not ideal, but there we go. Is it going to be done? Is it going to tell me there's more faults, or is it going to say good to go? What do you reckon, guys? Okay, to proceed, turn the ignition off. Okay, initializing the new battery, and we should be good to go. Simple procedure on the Autel, but a necessary one at the same time. Position 2. Okay. Going through the next round. Obviously I'm going to speed this up. Oh no, I don't need to speed it up. Look at that, guys, we are done. So another successful vehicle done. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Doesn't cost anything to do, and it keeps us rolling. Take care, guys.